Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Crunchyroll Blackscreen issue on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through the Crunchyroll Blackscreen issue on your mobile device, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you have the stable internet connection connected on your mobile device. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you're connected, the next thing to do is to check for necessary updates for your Crunchyroll app. Go and tap open Play Store or your App Store and search for Crunchyroll in the search box at the top. Perform your search, and if you see an update button right next to the Crunchyroll app, simply tap on update and download the latest version of Crunchyroll application. Once you've updated your application, your problem might be solved. If it still does not work, try clearing your cache data from your Crunchyroll app. Find Crunchyroll application from the app drawer and press hold it for quite some time. Now, tap on the app info button in the pop-up, and from the app info page, tap storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right. Once you clear out your cache data from your Crunchyroll application, you can go back and tap open your app and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, simply delete your Crunchyroll application from your mobile device. From the app drawer, when you spot Crunchyroll, press hold the app and tap on uninstall. In the pop-up that displays at the bottom, tap OK. Once you've deleted your application, go back to Play Store or your App Store and re-download the application again. Log into your Crunchyroll account by entering its credentials and see if that fixes your black screen issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through Crunchyroll black screen issue. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.